Hey BMW world, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at the hidden menu on your BMW Business Radio. This one is in a 320i 2002 model from Japan, and I'm sure you can hear some Japanese in the background. So as you can see right now, the frequency stops at 90 from 76, I think. So we'll look at how to adjust that. Oh, by the way, in case you haven't yet subscribed, feel free to pause the video and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. So to get started, turn your radio off, as I also try to find my way around this radio because I haven't really worked with it before. Okay. The mode, okay. Volume on and off doesn't work. Volume works. Okay, so turn the radio off. I'll use the key for that. Turn it back on and press the M button for just over 5 seconds until the serial number is displayed. That's the serial number right there. Now use the plus and minus buttons to scroll through the menu, and to get into the menu items you'll use these buttons right here, those ones. So scroll through and we change the area to Oceania. Leave it at that. You can look through the rest of the main menu items. After that, we'll turn the radio off to save the settings. Okay, so turn it back on, and now your frequency settings have been updated, and the radio should go from 79, I think, to 108. There it is, 108. From 87, I think, yeah, 87. Okay, so now you can go ahead and save your favorite stations in positions 1 to 6 with me.
bagenda kuvugira siringi lukumbita
nti abantu balina obuyinza bungi babuko Saturday.
Yes.
I hope that the media emphasizes.
Move away.
mugana mu studio zezimu
Atotambulye.
594 kwenye mitandao ya Airtel na Tigo. Mitandao mingine chagua MC.
Enkuba tiyali tonyedde ddala.
Play Hot 100 and always blazing hot.
If you
Okay, so looks like we're almost done here. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on social media. We'll have the links at the end of the video. Thanks again for watching. Andrew saying Bye bye and see you next time. Cheers.
Only by Mulets.